Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog with the LG Wing. Dual recording with the Wing, 1080p 30 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds, and the stability as well. I did one of these tests yesterday coming home from work during the day. Now we are in the dark. Very low light situation. Got a little bit of rain coming down on my car windshield. You can see me, for the most part, taking up almost all of the display, and in the little window there, which you can press and hold and move around to wherever you like to reposition it, you got what's going on out there outside of my car windshield, and I can switch it to where I'm in the little box, and now you can see a lot more of what's going on outside of my car windshield, which is not a lot. So just me on the road right now, which is nice. Makes for a nice drive. So yeah, if you haven't checked out the first test utilizing this tool with the LG Wing, please go watch that video. Let me know what you think about it. For those of you that already watched it, thank you so much. Appreciate it. But I wanted to do one in the dark and see what the video quality is like at 1080p 30 frames per second, because that's all you get. I wish we had 60 frames, but it's still a great tool to utilize with the Wing, especially if you're at a get-together, birthday party, some sort of event. You want to shoot video what's going on and you want to be in that video. Well, here we go. This is awesome. I would love to see this option on every smartphone. Dual recording is awesome, especially if you're a content creator, man. This is the way to go. I mentioned this in the first video test during the day with dual recording, that my LG V20 actually has this option as well, and you can actually have the option to split it into thirds, not just 2 screens, but 3. And so with here, with the Wing, you only get 2, but that's cool. And you can actually split the screen 50-50. And let's just say I'm on the right-hand side of that 50-50 split. I can press and hold and move it over to the left. So you can move it back and forth, left, right, and just like you can do with the smaller screen here, you can switch that up to where what's going on outside my car windshield is now on the smaller screen, and you can see me taking up the majority of the display now. So 2 different options, but you have to choose what you want to do before you start recording. So in this video, obviously I got the little box, and then there's the larger area there, and then but yeah, if you want to use that 50-50 split, that's pretty cool as well. Battery life. I got my first screenshot last night, 6 hours and 2 minutes with 15 hours of usage. 14:55, but it's about 15 hours. And it said I had 52 minutes left with 4%. I probably would have gotten about half of that. So could have got 6.5 hours of screen on time, and that was shooting video in the morning. I was going to put out an early morning vlog yesterday, but I decided to scrap that video, because there was something going on, and I had to just stop recording. And every once in a while there's something going on the road, and it distracts me, so I have to pay attention, so I stop recording. So I decided to shoot the video after work, and that's why we have that one that's there for you ready to watch if you haven't watched it in the afternoon time coming home from work. So I did that video too, and I started using the LG Wing as a phone, so phone calls and texting. At work, I was creating some content as well, a pic slideshow that's coming up. So using it, even though I was at work, I was using it a lot. Again, about 15 hours from the moment I unplugged it to the time that I took the screenshot, with 6 hours and 2 minutes, 52 minutes left, it's saying, but I'm thinking about half of that. So I'm thinking about 6.5 hours, and got a lot of usage out of it. So I'm really happy with what I got with that first screenshot, battery life. And overall, the performance is really good. You know, there's a lot of functionality to learn about, you know, with this device. And I mean, right here I'm utilizing this dual recording mode, which is just amazing. And so, yeah, I think battery life is going to end up being pretty darn good. I don't think I'm going to have any complaints there. Phone call quality going out, coming in, great. Texting going out, coming in, no issues. It's got a Verizon SIM. That's the way LG sent it to me, ready to go. They're paying for it. It's unlimited. So thank you to them for that. So Verizon coverage right now with the LG Wing seems to be great. In and out of my home, whether it's Wi-Fi or data. So this is my second official day using everything on this phone, not using any other phone. So since I had it, I've been switching back and forth with whatever else I was carrying, whether it was the iPhone 12 Pro Max or my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this is the second full day of complete usage on the LG Wing, dual recording, early morning vlog, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I'm in the little window and everything else is outside. The car windshield there that dominates the display, the first screen there. And yeah, so your feedback would be much appreciated. Digging the picture quality, video quality with the cameras on the rear, the front. No complaints, man. No complaints. And again, be looking forward to the pic slideshow. The first one's going to be LG Wing taking on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And then after that, I got to put together the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the LG Wing taking on that smartphone. So, all right. With that being said, thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. Again, stay safe and healthy, man. Okay? I'm out.